Hello WWCoin users trying to withdraw your funds from this site. So guys, firstly, warning, this site is heavily flagged as a scam with users reporting blocked withdrawals and fake profits. In this year, in 2025, cashing out is risky, but we'll share 3 cautious steps to try while staying safe. So log in into this website or the WWCoin app with your registered email, go to the wallet or balance section and click withdraw. Select a crypto wallet like Trust Wallet or bank account if offered. Start with a small amount like $100, as scam sites often allow tiny withdrawals to build trust. Submit and note any fees. High fees like 20% are a scam red flag. It also may request identity verification. Check your email or dashboard for prompts to upload a government ID or proof of address. Ensure your bank or wallet details match your account to avoid delays. Save screenshots of all steps and communications, as scam platforms like WWCoin may use verification to stall. If asked to deposit more funds to unlock withdrawals, stop. It's a common scam tactic. So if your withdrawal is pending for over 24 hours or denied, contact the support or live chat, though if it's a scam site, it's not going to give you anything. So just stay safe. If you have lost your money, you can report this to corresponding authorities. That's it. Try small withdrawals, document everything, but this site is likely a scam, so tread carefully. Guys, be safe, don't lose your money. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.